Hello people, so this car developed a no start, no crank issue. You can see I'm turning the key but it's not starting, it's not cranking at all. I do know the battery is okay, so I'm gonna do a quick test to see if the starter is fine or if the problem is the ignition switch. I'll do that by hot wiring it. I'll connect the starter wire to the auxiliary positive wire, and I have the key in the on position. That's for the immobilizer. You can see now it starts okay. So right away we know the problem is the ignition switch. So now I'll have to remove the switch and see what the problem is. I have to take out this lower cover. It's being held by two screws. Just open that. There we go. Have out the cover out. Now I need to pull out the ignition switch. I have to remove this connector attached to it. Sometimes it could be held by a screw and it might be difficult to get out, but in this case I just need to pull it out from its place. Takes some effort, but here it is. Now you have the option, you can simply buy a new switch and put it back, but in this case I will dismantle it and see what is wrong. It's nothing complex, just a very simple switch full of electrical contacts. I'm going to check for anything that is out of place, maybe broken or maybe bent in an unusual way and the like. Just pry it with my flight head. Have to be careful not to break it. And there you go. Nothing complex, just a bunch of electrical contacts. I don't see anything unusual. I'll dismantle it further. Sometimes these contacts can spark, and then you may have some carbon buildup or oxidation. Like here I can see there's a little carbon buildup or I don't know, maybe oxidation. I'll just use my flathead to scrape that off, and hopefully that will solve the problem. Pretty simple fix. Don't need to spend a lot on a new switch. It's not that expensive. The switch is not expensive, but it's a very simple fix. Don't think it's worth getting a new switch. So I just scrape that off, assemble it back, then we see, will it work? I don't know. Let me just clean some more, just in case. You always want to do this once. You don't have to put everything back and then you find yourself going back. Do it right once and it will last a long time. Okay, I'll put that back. figure out how it was. There. And again, it's nothing complex. You can see it's just a bunch of electrical contacts. When you turn your key, it just decides what contacts where. Now I have it back. Now let's try and see if the problem is gone, but I'm 100% sure that was the problem. Let's see. Turn the key, start the car, and there it is, fixed. Thanks for watching.